What do you think of the camper? Should we go look?
Your bed is broken.
Yeah. There's your bunk bed up here.
Is that my bunk bed?
Yeah, well, we're not sure if you or Winry is gonna sleep up there.
But these are tools.
Yeah.
This looks like. Dad, put them on here.
You gonna show me the bathroom?
Is it right here?
Mm-hmm. What do you think of it?
See, we had to clean it.
Yeah, we do.
And this doesn't have soap. And that's broken too.
It's got mold in the corner up there.
See, this is how we eat on this table.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice eating spot, isn't it?
We eat in this house. Where we eat, and then this is our cooker,
Cooker.
so it's ready.
What are we gonna cook in there?
Food and some cupcakes.
Here is the fridge.
Oh. Where's our food?
This fridge isn't working yet. It's got some mold up there.
Oh, we need some food in there.
Yeah. Smells better in here though. It's been airing out. So here we have Le Grumpy Morgan. He was mad that I couldn't decide if I wanted to rip the whole camper apart or not. Now, before you say, well, yeah, he should be mad because he's doing all the work. Let me just say I was doing some of the work too, okay? It's just kind of hard to film yourself working, you know. And our baby girl was kind of cranky at the time. But I'll admit, he was right about tearing everything out. It just makes me a little sad since the camper is from 1976 and kind of just removing some of the character from the camper. But warped paneling and musty wood aren't really what we're wanting to preserve. We'll be keeping most of the design of the camper the same, except for the area underneath the bunk bed. We're going to be replacing that with a permanent sleeping area with a mattress. Taking off the ceiling near the air conditioner revealed some wasp nest remnants, I think. There were also some ants making a nest in the floor where it was squishy.
Let's get scratching.
Here we have Le Grumpy Morgan. He couldn't